In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your photo in Hubspot for the year 2022. This is a straightforward process, but for those who might be new to Hubspot or just need a refresher, follow along with me and we'll have your photo updated in no time. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right of the page. Click on it and use your existing credentials to log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home dashboard. This is where you'll find all your tools and resources neatly organized. From here, locate the profile area. It's usually represented by your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From the drop-down, choose Profile and Preferences. This is where you can manage your personal settings within Hubspot. At this stage, you're in the right place to change your profile photo. Locate the section for profile image. It might be near the top or the side of the page depending on how it's laid out, but it's usually easy to find. Once you've found the profile image option, click on it to proceed to the next step. Here you should see an upload image button. Go ahead and click that. This will prompt a dialog box to appear, asking you to choose a file. The dialog box is your bridge to accessing files from your computer, so click on Choose File. This action will direct you to browse through your computer's files and folders. Navigate through your directories until you find the photo that you want to upload as your new profile picture. Once you've found the right image, double click on the file or select it and click Open. Hubspot will now upload your photo. Take a moment to ensure that your image is in a suitable format, typically JPEG or PNG, and that it's not too large in file size, as this can slow down the process. Hubspot might have specific size limits, but a standard resolution like 500 by 500 pixels usually works well. After selecting your image, it should automatically upload and display as your new profile picture. And there you have it. Your profile image on Hubspot is now updated. Take a moment to admire your work and feel free to update it whenever you like by repeating these steps. I hope you found this guide quick and easy to follow and that it helps you keep your Hubspot profile looking sharp. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.